Today we will see the implementation of the circular queue through the code. Earlier what we have done, we have learned the concept of the circular queue, how the circular queue will be implemented over there. Now here what will going to be happen, we will see some concept before actually we are going to see the code. See this one, this is a small code. The T will be work, the T will be used in the original code also. T will be work as a rear and H will be work as a front. This will be work as a maximum size. This is the queue. I will initialized with a none, and into 5 means 5 none will be there, null value will be there, and one after one integers will be inserted and none will be erased. Now look at the for loop. What will going to be happen? Port 6 0 to 6 it will going to be run. Now the calculation over here, T is equal to T plus 1 modulo 5. So what will going to be happen? What is the interesting thing of that? Interesting thing is that the concept is that if a number divided by a number, suppose if 2 is divided by 5, can the remainder of this one is more than 5? Never it will be. If 3 is divided by 5, can the remainder will be more than 3? Obviously it will be less than 3. Obviously it will be less than 3. Means if you divided 4 with 5, can the remainder will become more than 5? No. If it is 5, so what will going to be happen? Remainder will be once again come at 0. Fine. So this is the circular queue. See that one. The elements has been started. This is the subscript number 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Once again it will 0. Means if you entered up to, suppose the length of the array is 5, means last subscript will be 4. When it will be in 4, automatically with this mathematical concept, once again the value of the rear will be 0 and in the 0 position things will be inserted over there. I think you have understood this one. What will going to be happen? Suppose first I will discuss with the first what will going to happen, minus 1 and the minus plus 1 divided 5 modulo 5 means the remainder will come over here, remainder will be 0. Then 1 modulo 5 remainder will be 1. If 2 is divided by 5, so what will be the remainder? Remainder obviously it will be the 2. Like that up to 4 it will be there. But when the 5 is there, once again it will become 0. So once again the value, I told you that T will be work as a what? T will be work as a rear. So what will going to be happen? Once again it will become 0. So once again it will start from 0 location to insert it over there. So the queue is going on 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. If you insert once again, it will come to the 0. If you want deleted, fine, in the position of delete it has been inserted. If you are not deleted, then the first element will be erased and it will going to be inserted over there. Now we'll see that one. If in a part we are going to see this one, what will happen? Here I make some changes over there. What I have done, I have made some changes over there. What changes I have done? Here I have used the list, and in the list I have inserted the value of the I. So see that one, what will going to be happen? 0 has been inserted, all are none, then 1 has been inserted, then 2 has been inserted, 3 has been inserted, 4 has been inserted. After 4, once again when I have inserted that one, because the loop will run from 0 to 5, 5 elements are going to be inserted, 6 elements are going to be inserted over there, but the length of the list I have decided with 5. 5 means last, from if I insert 0 to 4, last I can insert 4. Now when the 5 has been generated, what will happen? The queue has come back to the 0 position, means that rear has come back to the 0 position and insertion has been happened over there. If I delete something, then what will happen? If I delete from the front, then it will going to be inserted into the 5. Now see this one, what is going to be happen? The size of the list is 5. I have initialized with none into 5, means it has been written, it is not empty, none value is there, 5 none value. First one inserted 0, fine. Second one 1, because the value of the I have inserted into the list. 2, 3, 4. The queue is full, size is full. Now once again, because the for loop is going to generate more than the size of the queue, once again when it has been generated, then what will happen? Because the front has come to the 0 position. I told you that a calculation, mathematical calculation, 0 position, so it will be inserted into the 0 position over there. Now we'll see actually the code and the result of that particular code, means the output of that particular code. What will happen? T, it will work as a rear, H will be 0, size, maximum size of the list will be 5. What I have done, L is equal to none into 5, means in all the position none value will be inserted over there. Now what will going to be happen? I am going to do the insertion in the list. I will do full, 5 value will be inserted over there. So what will going to be happen? For loop will run from 0 to max size. It will ask to enter, and this one will control the subscript number. T first will be 0, then 1, and how it will working over there I told you already, because it start from -1 plus 1, 0 divided by 5, it will be the 0, then 1 divided by 5, what will going to be happen? 1, means subscript number will be 1, 2, 3, 4, like that way, and whatever the input I have taken, it has been inserted over there. See that one, it is asking me how many elements I am going to insert. I have given 5. Now enter, it will ask me to enter the values. I have entered that one, 1 has been inserted. After that what happened? In the 5 position, in the first position 1 inserted, and in all position none value has been there. Then it will ask me once again, because loop is going on, 2 has been inserted. So what will going to happen? 2, another 3 none values is there. Then once again it will ask me to enter 3, 4, 5. I display the total list 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now in case of deletion, here it will be the logical deletion, means head will, what I told you, the head will be remain as 0. Where the head will be there? In the 0, in the first location of the list. Head will be moved 1 location. So what I have done in the deletion, H is equal to H plus 1. Fine, means head is moved from 1 to 2. And when I display, see this one, the display code is also there. When I display for J in range from H to T plus 1, from H to T plus 1, fine, from H to T plus 1. So what will happen from H? H has moved to the what? 2. H plus 1 means H is in the 0. Now H is in the 0. I have make it plus 1. So what will going to happen? It will move to the 2 where the cursor is there. Now the display is happen like what? Display is doing like that from 2 to desktop. So it is showing you 2, 3, 4, 5. Fine. So 0 element has been deleted over there. Means I have moved. I have head is moved. Now what I'll once again I want to insert. Array, already the queue is full. I told you when the rear is at last 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. When rear is at 4, if you insert, once again rear will come back to the 0 position. So once again I have done the insert, because according to my deletion logic, the first one is I can erase. It is logically deleted from 2, 3, 4, 5. It has been displayed. So what I have done, once again I have asked for the element. Number of element I told 1. I have given 1. Rear is in the 0 position. So it has going to be inserted where? It has going to be inserted in the 0 position over there. So 9 has been come first. What I have entered? The 9. Thank you very much.